going on YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? I hope everybody is doing well. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm back again with a video for you guys. As you guys can see, we got a Jordan 1 box. We're going to get straight into this detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet at the end of the video. Big shout out to my brother, man, Fineline1721. All his information will be in the description if you guys looking to pick up a pair of kicks. Definitely hit up my bro Fineline. Take a look at the new size tag they're giving us. Alright, take a look at that size tag. Basically what they're doing, guys, is I guess they're doing it in women and men's sizes. So guess women can actually pick up a men's shoe now, you know what I mean? Take a look, retails $160. These release on April the 14th. Take a look how it comes inside. You got your white paper. Finally, I got the Shadow ones. I did not get the older pair that came out, but I got them finally now. Thank you, Jordan Brand, for releasing these. Let me take the other one out. Just got your regular white paper in the box, and that's about it. Quality, very, very nice. I wish I had the older pair so I could compare with that, but damn, Jordan Brand did a good job with this one. I guarantee these are going to sell out fast. So, enough talking, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 Shadows. We're about to switch the camera around, get a nice close-up of the shoe right now. Giving you guys a close-up. I always told you guys I love giving you these close-ups so you guys can actually get a really nice look at the shoes. As you can see, they're giving us some extra laces. The gray laces comes with some black laces. We're going to start off with this one. Start off with the front of the toe. Take a look. Just look at that. Look at the softness, how when I push down, you can see we have a gray in the front of the toe box with your perforated holes. We also have black laces. Going up on the tongue, we got a nylon tongue with your Nike Air branding. And in the front of the toe, of course, you got your black going in front of your toe with your nice gray. Shoe does have a white midsole that 360s around the shoe. As you can see over here, we do have the black with the gray. Swoosh does have a slight tumbleness to it, you know, you can see, with your black behind it. Now the black behind it is pretty nice. Does seem like it got a nice texture there. Of course, you got your wing in black. Let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral, with your black and your gray. Over here on the top, man, the leather is really, really soft. Look when I push in inside the shoe. Got your Nike Air branding in there. And you got your white inner sole. Sock liner is in black. Back of the shoe, you got your hits of gray with the black. This is real plush. It's just got a nice plushness to it. Bottom, you got your all blacked out bottom with your Nike branding right here. And it's just all blacked out, man. Just gives it that nice touch, you know what I'm saying? Really, really dope classic shoe right here. Definitely happy to have. Now, for sizing on the Shadows, I do recommend you guys go true to size. Quality is A1. Jordan Brand, they did a great job with these. I want to know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys for your support. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm signing out. And I'm gone.